boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a cool band here, the Stupendium. We had them before here one time, I believe, in Gordon Guitar. This time with a song called Open the Sky. So this band here, Stupendium, or if it's a single person, I'm not pretty sure there, but anyway, worth checking out because what I can see, put great effort in the song, in the lyrics, in the videos, so it's worth checking out there. So this one, we have a capo high up here on the 7th fret, and with that we have 4 chords. I'm gonna give you the chords also without a capo, just gonna mention the chords for you later on, but this is the way we're gonna handle the song because we want the high notes up here, and that makes it easier with the capo and with the chords we're gonna use. So that's the reason for capo on 7th. So with that, we're gonna go over the chords. First is A minor, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is C, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have the F major 7, so that will be 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord will be G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, and open B this time, and 3rd E. So there you have the chords. So an easy strumming pattern for this one will be 4 downs. So that will be 1 round. So you're gonna play like this. Okay, so that was 2 rounds of the 4 downs. Now, when you play 4 downs, you want to emphasize the 3rd out of these 4 downs. So that means you emphasize that in the way that you're gonna play the 1, the 2, and the 4th down on the bass strings, and the 3rd down you play more on the mid top strings, the lighter strings, higher strings down here. So it will be bass 1 round. So bass, bass, top, bass, 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 top, bass, and then you switch to the next chord, in this case the C, and F, and G. And that is the chord version through the entire song. So that is the easy way of playing this, but you can also try to highlight the melody that is kind of hidden in the song, or yeah, it's built in. And the melody goes like this. Okay, so that is open E, then 1st B, then 2nd G, and open B. And how do you build in this one in the song, in the strumming? You just play and start with the melody notes, and then you're gonna add 1 extra bass kick, depending on which chord it is, doesn't matter, 1 bass in between each and every note. So you start with the open E, then bass, note, bass, note, bass, note, bass, and then after 1 round of this melody, you switch to the next chord and go to C, for instance. F, and G. And with strumming, downstrokes, you're gonna use small downstrokes to really hit the actual notes and emphasize them. So if you do big downstrokes like this, nothing will be emphasized. So keep it short and play something like this. claps if you wish. I'm not gonna go there, but yeah, I promise to give you the chords without a capo. So if you just take this capo off like this, and you don't want to play high up here, you're just concerned when it comes to the strumming, then you're gonna replace the chords A minor, C, F, and G with the following chords: E minor, G, C, and D. So with the same strumming here, down, 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 you're gonna sound like this. It's up to you. If you don't care about the melody, you can stay with the chords down here and skip the capo, and that will be good as well. So that's it for the Stipendium Open the Sky. Hope you enjoyed it, and play tuned.